Hey, this is Alex with Avant-Garde and 911R on Bring a Trailer. I'm going to do a quick walk around video on this BMW right-hand drive that is ending here in the next hour. Just kind of wanted to showcase some of the really neat things about it. The condition, first and foremost, really clean. Door cars, interior, everything's really nice and solid on it. Let's see if I can get those in focus. There you go. There was a question about the sunroof, and from what we've seen, there is no leaking, and the previous owner is stating that there is no leaking. Inside the trunk here, everything's really solid. Knock around a little bit, you can hear everything's really solid. And this side is the fuel. And then open up this side. That's where the spare wheel is and the jack. Once again, everything's really solid. Close that up. Go ahead and show you the passenger side. Door card again, really nice. I'll open up the hood. Again, everything in here really solid. Engine runs really strong. All the chrome is in really good condition as well. All four wheels also are in great condition. There's no chipping or anything, no curb rash.